congratulations for set win over Choco Mucho. It was a really tight game between you guys, pero ano lang masasabi mo sa pinarformance mo tonight?
Unang-una, thank you kay Lord for guiding us those game. And syempre sobrang happy and proud lalo sa team namin. Grabe yung naging investment namin before this game. And ayun, lagi sinasabi ni Erica yung work hard talaga. Even siya and Valley, grabe yung effort na ginagawa nila para mas mag-step up pa. Not para makontento doon sa meron kami, pero yung mag-step up. So, ayun.
Thank you, Coach. Erica, best player of the game and back-to-back wins for Signal. And though Choco Mucho ay nakalaban nyo, may ASCC sa other side. Pero sa side ng Signal, paano nilang din keep yung composure nyo in that tight match?
Yun nga, nag-focus lang kami sa kung anong kayang kontrolin ng team. And parang privilege namin na makalaro yung mga national team na ando sa kabila. So, yun, naging compose lang kami and nag-focus kami sa kung ano yung strength ng team.
Thank you. Vani, speaking of national team, you're up against Ea, and CC also your teammates from Alas. I guess, how does it feel being able to get this win against a good team like Choco Mucho as well?
It feels good, of course, because we worked really hard and we continue to work very hard. So I'm just happy that everything we train for is showing in the games and hopefully we keep moving forward.
Bali and Erica, siguro gano'ng kalaking bagay yung chemistry and familiarity na nabuo nyo since last year. Kasi siyempre yung Choco Mucho may adjustments pa since may mga bago rin sila.
It's a big thing, of course. It's with volleyball, they really need to connect with each other. And we always had the right players. We just needed to know how to utilize each player. And I'm happy that slowly, we're getting there, and our connection is definitely improved compared to last year.
For me naman, siguro mahalaga na nagkakaroon kami ng open communication on and off the court. So yun, naiintindihan namin yung bawat isa. Nakaka-help siya, and yun nga, yung outcome nagiging maganda kasi nga maganda yung pag-vigil natin.
Vani, having played with the last win over the past few months, what have you learned about controlling and composure ng team when the crowds are not particularly in your favor? Maybe just like the game.
Really just being mature and how to stay steady when pressure rises. Because playing for the national team, there's so much pressure because you don't just carry a brand or a school, you carry the whole Philippines. So of course, when you go out there, there's a lot of fear, and because you want to perform the best you can for every Filipino that prays for us and continues to support us. Just to mature.
And for Erica, may conscious effort ba sa'yo na nung monitor nga na nag-MVP kailangan yung level nung ganito rin yung level ngayon or medyo wala na rin sa isip mo masyado yung last year?
Honestly, yung award na yun, parang bonus na lang talaga eh. Hindi ko siya parang big deal pa na ito ako eh. So siguro yung standard lang is yung kung paano ako maglaro na walang award. Kung paano yung hard work, kung paano mag-pay off sa game.
Thank you.
Thank you! Thank you!
Coach, kayo, paano nyo lang siniredy yung team? Kasi syempre galing din sa panalo tapos nagpalakas din yung Choco Mucho noong off-season.
Una, hindi ako masyado natulog kasi joke lang. I think yung paano namin ine-emphasize lahat yung mga game plan. Ano yung dapat gawin, ano yung adjustment, ano rin yung magiging feeling, ano yung dapat na maging focus namin. And to be honest, ang dami pa rin namin kulang. Ang dami namin kailangan pang i-improve. But, ayun nga, like sinabi ni Bunny, getting better naman. Pero not enough para dun sa mga susunod pang mga games. And siyempre, mahaba itong liga na to. So hopefully, not masustain parang mas mag-progress kami, especially pagdating sa dulo. So, ayun.
Coach, gano'n lang kalaking bagay itong 2-0, lalo na yung format natin iba ngayon, lalo na para sa mga susunod yung games.
I think, inspiration para sa amin to, para mas magtrabaho pa. But, mas mag-focus kami dun sa process, ano pa yung mga kailangan, ano pa yung kulang, yung pag-recover din ng bawat isa, ano yung mga kailangan. Naingatan talaga, maging healthy lahat yung mga players namin, yung buong team. So, ayun lang for now. So, kami, sobrang blessed and thankful sa dalawang panalo. And mas magtatrabaho pa kami para mas maging better. Ayun. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.